There's some hoes in this house. 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 There's some hoes, 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 hoes.
Donna is back again today with another video, and in today's video I am super excited because I have been dying to play with this palette for so long now, you guys. You could probably already tell by the title, but today I am going to be playing with the new Carnival 3 palette, Love Tahiti palette. This is the collaboration with Bperfect and Stacey Marie. If you guys are not familiar with Stacey Marie, she is a UK makeup artist, and you guys, UK makeup has been super trending and I'm just like obsessed. So this is what the palette looks like, you guys. She absolutely killed the packaging on this. She killed the whole color story, like everything. Stacey Marie is just such a genius when it comes up to eyeshadow. Like, if you guys have not checked out her Instagram, her eyeshadow looks are honestly amazing. So when she was coming out with a new palette, you guys know that she was going to kill it. I also did play with 2 of the highlighters in the collection as well. That was all I was able to get my hands on because I did sign up for early access, you guys. So I did have this for a while. You guys know I always procrastinate filming shit. But yeah, I did get this actually when it first launched. And if you guys are not aware, when the palette first launched, there was like a glitch in the system, you guys. And it was like so hard for the page to load. Like, Louise actually had to come in and step in and actually, help them out, which is so amazing, you guys, to see brands coming together and working together because there's space for everybody to win. That's just a prime example. But yeah, so there was a glitch in the system and I was so afraid that I wasn't even gonna get the palette in my cart. So I really did want to get the lip glosses and things like that, but I was just like, you know what, let me just hurry up and grab what I really want first. And once I got it in my cart, I was just honestly just trying to check out. So yeah, I only did get my hands on the palette and 2 of the Get Wet highlighters. Honestly, I was just so fiending for the palette, so I'm so happy that I got this, you guys. Yeah, and today when I played with it, exactly like I expected, it was amazing nonetheless. Like exactly what I knew she was gonna give me. High quality, super pigmented ass eyeshadow, as you could already tell honestly by my eye look. So yes, I am like obsessed with the way that this came out. I will admit, this type of eyeshadow technique, you do need a lot of brushes and you need to blend. So this is not a cut crease, nothing like that. This is just a full blown out blended eyeshadow look. Yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look using the new Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette, then you already know what to do. Definitely keep on watching. Also, before you go, definitely hit that subscribe button. That way you do not miss out on any of my videos, you guys. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, so you do not want to miss out on my poppin' ass content. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye. Ooh. Alright, beauties, jumping straight into voiceover. If my voice sounds horrendous, it's because I am so sick, you guys. Oh, look at me getting my jam on, okay? I thought I was Alicia Keys for a second, bitch. Stop playing. So, yes, I'm super sick, you guys, so please do not mind my voice. I sound super congested. But anyway, going in, of course, with the Carnival 3 palette. As you can see, I'm hype as fuck because this has been in my collection for some time now, and I've been dying to play with it. Of course, you guys know I had to show you a close-up of this beautiful packaging. I mean, Stacey absolutely killed this, guys. I am super attentive to detail, and I can tell she put so much thought and effort into this palette, like, and it shows. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. The color story is absolutely to die for. I love how everything is like in sections. You have your pinks and purples, your orange and reds, your blue and greens, like everything is all color coordinated for you. Like, it's not just all scattered all over the place. So I was trying to think of what look I wanted to do, so I decided to do one eye off camera, and boom, with the power of editing, I'm going to show you guys how to do the other one. And just like every single look, we are starting off with my Louise base in the shade Rumor 2, just so that way we have a nice blank canvas and our shadows show up super pigmented. So you want to ensure that you're tapping this base in till it's dry. Do not be swiping because you will disturb the base. Y'all already know. So first shade we're going to be going into is the shade The Deep. Rolling in the deep. Okay, let me not even kill y'all ears with my bad singing, but yeah, I'm gonna start mapping out kind of like the placement of where I want this shade. Obviously we want the darkest shade to be in our outer corner. So as you guys can see, I did start off from my lower lash line, kind of following a shape in an up angular motion, and then now as you guys can see, I am just placing that color down. It's gonna look crazy, I'm not gonna lie, because as of right now we are just getting the color on there. We are not blending, we're not doing nothing crazy, we're just packing it on. So as you guys can see, I am taking a very small brush and I'm working this up now up into the crease and kind of just like mapping out what shape you want. I like more of a rounded shape, so that's what I'm doing. As you guys can see, I'm also now just taking a clean blending brush just to get the blending process started. But now we are going to go into the shade Lagoon, which is a very pretty blue shade, and now we're going to start with the blending process. So I'm actually just doing the 50-50 technique that I learned from Louise. So this technique is honestly just putting 50% of your brush onto the color and 50% of the brush onto your actual bare skin to get a nice blend. Now I'm going to go and pick up the shade Reef, and we're going to do the same exact technique, you guys, and I'm literally just doing the same thing all the way till we get to our lighter shade. The only thing that I want to mention here is that I am using bigger brushes as I do work with the lighter shades. So as you guys can see, we did start off with a first compact brush, and now we are using a bigger brush. So now I'm moving on to the shade Key Lime. As you guys can see, now I'm using the biggest fluffy brush, and I'm literally just going to use this to finalize that blue to green blend. And you guys, this shade Key Lime was absolutely gorgeous, you guys, but it does take some building up. So I was using a Cara Beauty blending brush, but then in a minute you are going to see me switch out the brush just to, you know, pack on some more pigment, which is this black brush here. This one is from BH Cosmetics, and yeah, this one does pack on the color a little bit better. So now that you got your colors all nice and packed on, now is when you want to start perfecting the blending. So we worked our way upwards, and now you want to work your way back downwards. So now that you got your Key Lime back on, we're going to go pop back into Reef, get Reef back on and going in there. Then we're going to go back into Lagoon, make sure Lagoon is looking sickening, make sure everything is blending with each other. So like I said, we worked our way up, but then now you want to work your way back down. I'm just honestly so obsessed with this palette. It is so amazing. Like, if you guys have not picked this up, I highly recommend it. Like, let's just take a second to appreciate how these shadows blend. They're like butter, you guys. Like, I love it. So stay tuned, because you are definitely going to see a lot more looks with this palette. Also, when using the Louise bases, I do want to mention that you have to keep tapping them out. You do not want to set any of the creases. So just wanted to show you guys, even within mid freaking eyeshadow look, you still want to be tapping out that base. As far as the shade Blackberry, a purple shadow to me always defines if the palette is great. And that Blackberry shade honestly was super amazing, you guys. It blended beautifully. You guys know purples can tend to be a little patchy, but this one wasn't. So yeah, now I'm taking the shade Magenta, and I'm gonna basically blend this right in front of that purple shade. And now I'm picking up the shade Coral, which is honestly one of my favorite shades out of the whole entire palette. You guys, this shade is beautiful, and I'm gonna put that right next to Magenta. You want to also work these shades up a little bit into the crease, nothing too crazy, because you want them to just seamlessly blend on their own. And then for our inner corner color, we are going to take the shade Yellow, which is not a yellow, it is actually like an orange yellow. Okay, so it's not yellow, it's yellow. Oh bitch, we thought it was yellow, but it's not. So now, like I said, giving everything one last final blend. And looking back on this footage, you guys, like, this look is just so stunning. It looks like a tropical rainforest. I love it. Anyways, moving on to lashes. I am going to be taking these lashes from Tata Lashes in the style Adina. And you guys, I believe I do have a coupon code. If I do, I will leave it down in the description box. I leave all of my coupon code down there if you guys want to check out these lashes. Also, for primer, I am going to be taking the Juno & Co. Moonshine Cream. I also have a coupon code for Juno & Co. So please check out the description box. Also, I am going to combine that with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, because a girl got things to do today, okay, and we want this face to last. And last but not least, my Smashbox Coconut Primer Spray. I know, a bit excessive, but your bitch is dry, so I gotta do what I gotta do. Now I'm quickly gonna do my little foundation combo. I will leave all the products in the description box. You guys seen me do my foundation a million times. Also, I'm gonna highlight and contour with my go-to products. Moving on, because like I said, I want to keep the main focus the Tahiti Carnival collection. So anyway, moving on to blush, I am going to be taking this Milani blush towards the backs of my cheeks. I did want to go for a more ombre blush moment in today's look. So the first blush that I used was a lot more like neon coral, and now I'm going to go with this maxi blush from Rimmel, and I'm just going to put this now towards the front of my cheeks. It was very subtle, but you can definitely see in person that the cheeks definitely did ombre from like orange to more of like a pinkier orange. It was really nice. I know I'm mad extra, but anyway, moving on. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so out of breath with this damn cold. I'm so congested. Like, I need to get better ASAP. Anyway, moving on to the highlighters. These are the Get Wet highlighters. And I did show you guys the unicorn, but the actual highlighter is this beautiful, like, mirrored purple. So nice. I was not expecting that. So the first shade I did pick up was the shade Soft Silk, which is a very wearable, everyday golden color. And then I did pick up Haloglaze, which is a pinky purple golden, like, shift type of highlighter. You guys, stunning. I definitely had to use this one, and as you guys can see, these do not come to play. Okay, the Get Wet name is honestly perfect for these highlighters, because they literally make your cheeks look wet. I was so impressed. I was like, bitch, what? And I never wear colored highlighters, you guys, so I was honestly like, okay, bitch, where is we going with this pink highlighter? But I was so here for it. And honestly, they're all so blinding, and even the pink one, it was super wearable even though it's pink. But now moving on to our lower lash line, I am taking the shade The Deep again, and I'm just gonna blow this onto our lower lash line, really packing that color on. Not all the way in. You do want to keep some space in the inner corner, so that way we can put the glitter. So yeah, now I am just blending this out with the shade The Reef. I did just decide to skip Lagoon because blue and green, they're gonna kind of make a light blue in between anyways. So yeah, and then I also did go into Key Lime and make sure that that green is nice and popping in there too. You want to make sure that your lower lash line is matching your outer corner and everything is nice and cohesive. Now for my waterline, I am going to take this navy blue liner in my waterline. I completely was not in frame, and now I'm just taking a yellow onto my inner corner. So now for that fun pop of glitter, I'm going to jump into the ColourPop Honey palette, and I'm going to take that pressed glitter right there in the center, and I'm going to pop this on the inner corner of our lower lash line. And this honestly just added a fun little pop to this look, and just some bling, and girl was just like so here for it. So finishing up with some lower lash mascara, and of course adding some highlight. This is now the Soft Silk one. I'm using this one all over my body and my collarbone because I really want my body to glow, you know, some type of Stacey Marie shit. She's always like drowned in highlighter. I love it. So last but not least, of course, is the lips. You guys already know the drill. My go-to lip combo, which is the Morphe Bite Me lip pencil, paired of course with my Jordana Tisha Mama liquid lipstick. This is my shit, you guys. So I like to just pop this right into the center, and then of course you guys are going to see me switch over to a blending brush so that way I could really blend this lipstick into my lip liner. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so satisfying to see a bomb ass nude lip combo. Actually, comment down below if you guys want me to make a video of all of my go-to nude lip combos. I'll be so happy to film that for you guys. But yeah, now I'm just gonna add some gloss. This is the Jordana Tisha TMI gloss, and you guys, this gloss just like honestly took it to the next level. But yeah, so last but not least, I am going to reline my lips just to re-add the definition and lock this look in with some setting spray. So this is the Milani Fruit Fetish. This is the Coconut and Mango Make It Last setting spray. And of course, have to back out my little mini fan. And bitch, I cannot get over that pink highlighter. Like, dang, girl. I just honestly love this look so much. You guys, I cannot wait to create more bomb ass looks with this palette. Also, if you guys do recreate this look, definitely tag me over on Instagram. And yeah, you guys, this was it for the Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. Shout out to Bperfect and Stacey Marie for absolutely killing this one. Honestly, they bodied this. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this look. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.